I am Josh.
I am Pete.
This
It's a channel.
Come
Watch us or don't.
Did we become like Jewish? It spice up the whole. You can only get so high with that it becomes like bubbly, like spit.
Yeah! Bro, come here. How much do you think I can lift? Come down.
Like 6, dude.
Bro. Oh shit! How did I hold it down? Yeah, bro, I got you, man.
Shh. Be very, very quiet. Smell like you're making all this noise. Don't wake them up, or you can like wait, what?
Oh, you just if you run into them.
No, you picked them up, didn't you?
I picked you up, girl.
Hi-oh! What's the? Is it down?
Come with me.
Wait, there was a shower.
Woohoo! Oh no!
Yes. Okay, so don't touch the cracked out Uncle Alec. Oh, wait.
Oh yeah, I've got the crown, so I get to wear it.
Yeah, so this is mostly just like an us thing, cause you know, #gay lovers. But we have a plastic crown that we're
Gay
going.
love.
Yo, you little bitch.
Wahoo!
That whenever ownership of the crown, oh my god!
Oh, what?
Whenever ownership of the crown transfers in game, then oh my god! What the fuck, dude?
I'm not letting go. Stay away from me. I'm gonna need him. Oh, this is awesome.
#speedrun. Ow, asshole! Ow!
Waka 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 waka.
I can't move.
I'm walking here.
I'm walking here. Christopher Walken.
I ate the flag.
What?
I ate the flag.
Wait, it's right there.
You're not getting in that door.
Whoa, this is
this is
trippy shit here. Just grab it. Oh my god.
Oh no, I'm not doing that. Alright. I thought he would protect me. Oh, we gotta do. No, how do we get that thing?
Oh, wait.
You think?
Well, that's all I got.
Oh. Still not.
What the hell?
This is. You know what? Maybe we have to like. No, oh shit.
Wait. What is? Ah, dumbass.
I'm sorry.
Don't you fucking do it. What are these things? They look scary. Peter, it's too scary over here.
I got them.
Oh, these things, like they're looking at me.
Can I eat them? Oh, I can eat them.
Ow, dick.
Bonus level.
Oh man, that was such a challenge.
Oh. Woo!
Fuck.
I want my guy back.
You know, you don't.
Hey, wait. Did you ever realize that this button right here is a little different than the other ones? Oh, I guess they're just like that sometimes. Okay.
Why is the focus on you when I'm player 1?
Because I can do that. Oh shit!
Oh my god, Peter.
We're running out of time! No, I wanted to...
Wait, there was a secret!
I know, I'm sorry. Okay.
I didn't get shit. Dude, we still have 100 seconds, dude.
Are you...
Yeah!
Oh!
Yeah!
Shit!
Well, look at that. Well, fail. Why does Franklin show zone? What?
Are these actual people's drawings?
Yeah.
That was pretty good.
Well, a lot of them are just the stamps they've collected.
Oh, those bastards. Oh,
Not even close.
$20,000.
Ooh, we got a woman over
Got another
here.
girl over here.
Hey, girl.
I may just look like somebody's offspring.
This is my hey, ma'am. This is my son here. He's taking a peculiar
Hey!
liking to your
Hey, it's me.
anus.
I'm back here. Look at me.
He likes your anus.
Give me attention.
He likes your. He clearly likes your butt. Like that's
Quite a
why.
lot. Yeah.
Ravage it.
Still back here. Yeah, she's not interested.
No. You just clearly have to do what you want to do without like her knowing. You know.
I don't know if I can be a part of that.
We here at FoxyTophat do not condone unconsensual things.
Look at Luigi. He's like, we got a star for you.
Thanks for breaking that awkward silence.
Alright. Oh, I don't have any. I don't have any more of those.
Any more what?
Those little crowns to make me bigger. Alright, so what do we do here?
Who's the man?
Oh, am I stuck
now?
down here now?
Who's the man now? Hang on, just gonna let this sink in for a Oh, no.
Beautiful.
Oh, God damn it, Peter! You fuck everything.
No! Woohoo!
I was gonna get the thing. But Virginia, that's my cream cheese. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill down here, actually.
I can fight.
Fight, I can fight.
Hey, what's this? What the hell? Oh!
The money.
No! I
Yeah,
died.
I'll take that for now.
I died protecting.
Why did that green thing just, like, take the shit and then run away? He, like, just ran off the edge.
Can we get these? Hey, no, Josh! Not without me.
Get this weird thing away from me, dude. Shit, dude. Shit.
I got it.
Yeah, don't mind me. I can't hear you up here.
Damn it.
How's the weather? Oh, shit. I was gonna make a short joke.
Did I get it? No, those were all coins.
I spit at fire. I am clearly fucking dominating here.
Oh.
Oh, I can choose which one.
That is cool. I like
I'm
that.
in control now. No, I want... Come on, Toad. Come on. God damn it. Do I have to get the thing out? Alright. No. Jump. Okay, good enough. Yeah, you like that shit? No!
Don't bring me back down, please. God damn it. Oh, come on.
So scared. I'm so scared, Peter.
It's gonna be okay. We just gotta find our way back home. Oh, whoa. Oh, that's cool.
I'm so scared.
Look at that.
Dude, Toad knows some real parkour shit. What the hell?
How'd you do what?
That's my power.
That is not your power.
That is my power. The power is mine, Peter. No! Okay, for real, let's actually try this because we've done nothing.
Alright. Hey, Josh,
Yeah? That's my name.
good friend, Pete down here is, you know,
Hey, Peter, what you doing?
he's gonna die.
What the
What
even?
the devil?
What the
Who got that?
You.
Yeah.
Bitch! How the hell do they? Okay, I'm gonna get the platforms for you. You scale them.
Yes.
Because I can't do both of this with one hand. All right. But like, oh, okay. Power of the crown, baby. Power of the crown.
Woo! 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 Woo!
What the hell?
What do we?
What the?
Oh! Oh! Get back on the thing! No! Oh, we're running out of time.
Here you go. No, Peter.
I wanted the things.
Okay.
Okay. Carry.
Okay.
It's up to you, Josh.
Go! Go!
Blow!
Go! Go! Go!
Blow!
Go! I'm spitting all over this. Move!
Blow!
Move! Go!
You gotta blow, sweetie. Come on.
Go!
Maybe I have to be on it too.
Go! Go! Why isn't it moving? Move!
Again.
You have to be silent here. Shit!
Oh, we're back.
It's gonna be a long one. Dude, we had to be completely. We couldn't talk there. That's the reason they weren't moving. We had to be silent. Yeah. See, those ones we can be loud.
All right, we have to be absolutely silent.
Not for these ones. Okay, but for these ones. I
tried. I tried to see.
Crown is neither of ours. Okay. Oh, game over.
Shit.
Okay. Next time we'll try to.
God damn it!
We'll try to figure this one out next time. Hey, I'd like to just thank you for making it all the way through the video. If you really liked it, then show your support by leaving a like and maybe subscribing if you haven't. Down below are some annotations to other videos you can check out. But we plan to play through the whole rest of this game, so stick with us for a fun time. Have a nice day.